Hi students and dear viewers, I am here today to explain about the Cambridge IGCSE ICT 2016 Paper 21 October-November Mail Merge part. So in this part of the question paper, they ask you to produce the merged letters to different people which will be selected by using from a technique to select from the source data the specific people to receive the letter. How we'll do that? Let's start working it. So you are required to carry out a mail merge to create a checklist for use during the induction of new staff. So use the file n216checklist.rtf as your master document. So I will open the file checklist as my master document, just like that. And next step, they ask us to use the file n216newstaff.csv as your source data. So it means you need to connect this file to your source data by clicking on mailing, then by select the letters with the use of an existing list, because the list is already provided. So on desktop we have already the list in CSV format. So I would select this file, then click on open. Now see, these fields are now enabled. Now replace in your master document, replace date with a field to display today's date in the format of DD, MM, Y, and Y format. So we need to choose from here date. Yeah, this is the date here, and then I'm going to click on insert, then quick parts, and then I will choose from here field, and then I will choose from here date. But the format, as they have mentioned here, the format is this one, DD 2 times M and then 4 times Y. Just click on OK. The date is inserted here. Next step, insert the merge field, first name, last name, job title, line manager, and then after a start date, department, course date, location from the data source indicated. So what I'm going to do is, here we need first name and last name, so I choose both of them, and then I will choose from here mailing, insert first name, then there is a space, and then last name, then start date, so choose from here start date, then job title, so choose job title, then department. So each and every field need to be inserted as a merged field. So line manager, and then after we have something here as well. Yeah, here this is the one, course, so I will choose from here course, then I need to choose from here date of the course, and then location, and we'll choose location. That's it. So all these fields are merged here. Now you can see all the fields are merged. Next step, they ask you include your name, center number, candidate number in the footer of the document. So we'll click on insert, then we'll click on footer, and then I'm going to choose here blank 3 columns to type my name, then my center number, and then my candidate number. Then just close on header. And next step, they ask you to place in your evidence document screenshot showing evidence of the format of date field. So we just need to go to our date field, and then we need to right click on it, and then we will click on toggle field code. When you click on it, then you just print screen and then toggle back, and then go to your evidence document here here is our evidence document, and then just paste this one as your evidence of your merge field for date field. So paste and then just crop it so that only this field is clearly visible for the examiner, that how you have inserted the date code. So that's it. You just make it bigger from here. This is what you have done. And next step is insert the image N216 logo.jpg in an appropriate position. Format the image so that the size of the image is 4 centimeter, the aspect ratio is maintained, and the image does not overlap any item of the document. So we usually insert the logos at the top of the document. So if you can see, this area is a little bit free for us to be used. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on insert, then picture, and then we'll go to desktop and we'll go to the picture folder, this logo. Yeah, so it is inserted. Then I'm going to click on square to move this one out of the table here, and then we need to resize the image to 4 centimeter as well. At the moment my system setting is in inches, so I'm going to change it to from option to change the setting to centimeters, just like that. Click on OK. Now when I click on the picture format, the width I'm going to decrease to 4 centimeter only. Is how it will look like. Now I'm going to try to place it here. Yes. And next step is save and print the master document with the merge field. Then you need to save and print the master document. So we will do that, and then after we just need to this is our master document. I'm going to save it as with the name into the same folder as a document, as my all work is here, and I'm going to save it as master document. Just save it. That is done. Now next step, they ask us to do what? To print. But if before print, it is very important to check the spelling mistake. Like for example, look, this one word that is wrong. So we'll just click on review, and here we have an option called spelling and grammar check. So we ignore Tawara. We have nothing to do. We are finishing checking your selection. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, now we'll click. So we ignore this one. Information here need to be changed. Then need to provide change, and work need to be changed, and that's it. Name we should ignore. Click on OK. So it is already done, the spelling and grammar check. Now they ask you merge the checklist for only those applicants who need to attend the induction course. So you just need to click on mailing and select the specific people who is going to attend the course. So we are going to check here, course is induction. So we choose here induction, and then we'll click on filter that we have chosen the induction. So we just need to put this one here, and then yeah, they have said show the selection method. So this is how we have selected. Print screen, click on OK, OK, and then go to your evidence document and paste this one as your evidence 11, and then just format it. So we just see only the selection method that we have used to select the specific people into our merge list. And then they said print only the merge checklist for selected applicants. So we just need to print this one now for the selected people just by clicking here, finish main merge, that edit individual document, and then just click on OK. So you will find that there are 3 letters, that is letter 1, 2 and 3. So these 3 people are going to receive the letters. Now you just need to print this one and that's all. Fine. We are not going to save it at the moment. Next step is the step number 30, in which they said evaluate the suitability of this checklist for use with its attended audience. Identify any improvements which could be made and give reasons. So we will open our evidence document. In this case, here I'm going to save the merge letters into the same folder here, and we'll open our evidence document here. So evaluation of checklist suitability and the reason. So where is the checklist? In the yes, so we need to provide a checklist, and then after we need to give the reasons as well, because they have not provided any checklist here. So we are going to create a checklist and then we are going to answer them by ourselves. So just click on save here and we'll minimize this one, and we'll go to our evidence document here, evaluation of checklist suitability. So you can give here the points, for example, like why it is suitable for audience, why it is not suitable for audience, and then you can say an improvement that you can make, improvement, and then you can mention also reason for improvement. Sorry, yeah, that is I. Yeah, now here we are going to give our reasons, like for example, personalized to individual and emboldening, and then here is shading and bullets to make easier to read, and next is tick boxes, or you can say electronic version could automatically and that is a link to diaries. And you can also mention, for example, consistent font style, size, and alignment, and spelling errors. Like for example, if you look at the master document here, look here, the font size, here the font size, then the alignment, sometimes font is different in format, and here the alignment of the font, somewhere it is right, somewhere it is left, and here we made some spelling and grammatical changes to your document so that it look like in a proper spelling and the proper formatting. So this is what we have done to the mail merge part. Hope you have learned how to deal with the mail merge, how to produce the letters, and how to evaluate a document for data entry errors as well as the formatting errors. Subscribe the channel for more videos and updates, and don't forget to write any comments for the videos in my channel.